Hello, everyone. With the Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, my name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button or hit the subscribe button. Over here, we do digital budgeting using Google Sheets. I have Capital One Bank with all my sinking funds, and I also just learned about Ally. I didn't learn about Ally, I just opened an Ally account that has my memberships, and I want to transfer a few things over for the second quarter. Speaking of which, welcome to the second quarter, baby. We have made it through first quarter. And if you set out goals for yourself and decided you wanted to do something, even if you did not do it perfectly, okay, even if it was a whole bunch of life was lifing, if you just set your goal out, if you just tried this quarter to track the expenses, to make the budget work, to save all the savings and do all the things, you were winning, okay? You are winning. Take that from me. God loves small beginnings, okay? And so we're here now with second quarter, and we're just going to go ahead and plan out our April monthly budget. If you're new here, I do everything with Google Sheets, and I get paid bi-weekly, and I'm a single budgeter. Okay. I plan mine out by paycheck by paycheck. I wouldn't say I live paycheck to paycheck, because most of everything is covered and I'm not scraping or scrounging, but technically I do a paycheck to paycheck budget. So maybe I do live paycheck to paycheck. I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments. But this is quarter two. We're making quarter two purple. I've been into purple a lot. Y'all know I love my earth tones, but for the channel, I've been feeling the purple. So this is second quarter, and we have first quarter saved. Second quarter going in. We're using our updated numbers. As you can see, this is April, and May is going to be a magic month for me. There are 3 checks in May, the 3rd, the 17th, and the 31st, and then we have 2 in June. So let's just focus on me. Let's just hide these columns for right now and just focus on what's coming in April. For April, we usually take our mortgage any month. We take the mortgage and divide it by 2 and see if that works. So the mortgage is now $1,183.62, and we're dividing it by 2. If you don't see me looking right here, I'm sorry. The screen is here. I'm going to try to focus on you as well. So dividing that by 2 is $591.81. Really, you're disrespectful, right? And 183.63. Okay, I don't know why I put it here. 118,362. Perfect. So the cell phone, oh my gosh. So the cell phone is now $77. You guys, my friend Lisa's probably like looking at the screen like, what? I still have not called I can probably leave my face big over here. I still have not called the visible people. And I was supposed to do that today because I was working from home today, and usually I have a little more leeway because I can work and be on the phone and listen. Y'all, I need to do this because this should be $25 by now. If you look at my forecast, I'm supposed to switch over to the $25 a month by now. It's April. I have not, unfortunately. Dang, sorry. Okay, but I need to do it. So for now, though, it's due on the 4th, and I would have paid it already. Let's see. I'm sorry, this is behind me. I would have paid it. This is last quarter. Cell phone. Yeah, I would have paid it already. Because I'm like, girl, did you? I would have paid it so it wouldn't be due again until, actually, it wouldn't be due again until the next check. Okay. Well, maybe we don't have to schedule the cell phone, which is perfect because that gives me time to switch this over. Okay. Because it's not due until the 4th, and this check ends on 5/2. And then we have the water, which is $43.08. At least that's what it was. And then lately I've noticed it keeps coming out at different amounts. But for now, that's what we're going to do. That would be due on the 13th. Then the car insurance is $150.21. It's due on the 14th. That is the same. I saw something come through my email that basically said just that. Electric is currently at $95. and that's due on the 14th. On the 17th, we have the gym. Oh no, we don't got no gym. $0. The gym is canceled, so nothing. We can actually delete that there row. I hope that didn't mess anything up. You know what? Undo that. I'm going to leave it there only because, you guys, for me, fun is like checking out other gym and Zumbas. So if I do have a little extra money, I might put the little $10 in there. I might leave the $10 in there and use that to like pop into a class or two. So we'll do $10 for each paycheck. If I want to go to Zumba, my Zumba is $8, but another Zumba place I was looking at, I think their class is $10. So maybe once a month, I'll pop into a Zumba class just to get my fix. So we'll leave that there actually. So we'll leave that and we'll put 20. We just put it twice a month. We usually only have once a month. So let's just do one and then we'll see what happens. Internet is $80. It's due on the 19th. So it'll be just due over here. So we'll put it right there. Security is $27.14. It comes out on the 22nd. And security equipment comes out on the 27th, which will be on that second check. So $27.14 for the security fee and $43.20 for the equipment. You guys, I made this screen a little smaller. Let me know if it's too small. I can pump it back up. Trash is actually due, you guys. Trash is due. Where is it? Due. The trash is actually due in April. I haven't seen my bill yet. And they're weird. Like, I feel like I don't see it right away. I'm always missing it. Where's my sorry, y'all, I can't see over it. Where's my quarter two? Sorry. Golly, I'm moving it down. Okay. So quarter two is we're gonna put 105. We're gonna put it here, just in case. And then just nothing. Let's hope it hasn't gone up, y'all, because the way every time I get a new trash sewer bill, it's up for the quarter. Right now, we have nothing on the Home Depot card, Ulta card, the Saver card ain't got nothing on it, the Merit card ain't got nothing on it, girl. We pays the cards off. The car is divided by 2, 467. Oh, it's covering up my face. 467 divided by 2, 233.50. Yeah, I know that by now. 233.50 per week. Per paycheck, not week. And then Capital One, we always leave it at 0, but we pay whatever is on it off. I did put something on the Discover. It was an Etsy purchase, but we're going to leave it at 0 because we reconcile those at a different time. And the goal is to always pay them fully off. I only add them back over here if there's something on them. The student loan is due on the 17th, so it's $70.67. And then eating out, all the variable expenses will get what they're getting unless we come up with some more money we can add to that. So eating out gets 80 biweekly. It gets no, it doesn't. That's for the month, okay? It gets 40 for the month every 2 weeks. So 80 monthly. So you get 40 every paycheck. Fun entertainment gets 20 every paycheck. Gas gets 60 every. You don't want to go? Gas gets 60 every paycheck. Giving gets 10 every paycheck. And I stuff these on a monthly basis. So all of the money goes into the account and then we ride it out. For quarter two, though, things that might be changing. Because some of the things I went through in quarter one, I don't want to do it. I just don't. But we're going to talk about it later. So groceries gets 80 every 2 weeks, baby. I hope we get some extra money. We can pop in there because groceries is a mofo. And self-care is 40 per paycheck. And all of this together should equal 500. And that it does. Okay. Sinking funds. We usually do these per check. But let's go ahead and see what our forecast says. Can we do that? I guess. Yes. So our forecast starting in April for apparel and going down. Copy. Let's move it so we wouldn't have these problems. We're going to put it right over here so we can see. So nothing for apparel. And as you can see here, this is the balance so far. So there's only $20 left on the first half the first check. Second check has 418. Some reason I didn't notice before. The balance, the first check is always very bill heavy. Okay, so build a buffer is actually in $3.03. We'll put the $3.03 here. Now, I don't know if this is all gonna work out because again, what I said was I didn't change the what's that thing called? The phone like I was supposed to, but the phone's not on here, so it should be fine. Birthdays are getting nothing. Car maintenance is getting nothing. Christmas is getting nothing. Emergency fund, $20. Come on, $20. So you're gonna put $20 in emergency fund. Medical is getting $10. We love that. We love to see it. So we'll do that. And since I have an appointment in April for the 25th, I'll go ahead and move that $10 in earlier in the part of the month. And then HOA, I don't think we're putting anything else. Oh, eek. Yeah, I don't think we're putting anything else on this check here on the first check because we want to have some kind of buffer and we're already down to $10. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So let's put the rest of the money in on the other side. Hopefully we're good. Let's see. Okay, good. We'll have 44 for the HOA, 40 for the household, 100 for the HVAC. Come on, save for the HVAC. Hey, we're gonna save $10 on KineMaster because we know KineMaster's paid off, and we're also gonna save $10 on Sam's Club. They can actually be blocked off because they're already paid, honey. They are paid, honey. Actually, we should just take the zeros out, and we're gonna make them Blizzadak. Okay, blacked out. We don't gotta worry about them. However, we are doing what I call a snowball sinking fund. So for the money that was supposed to go to KineMaster and Sam's Club, we're putting it into Amazon, which is the next sinking fund we're working on getting paid. So instead of $11, it'll get $25, and then which is 11 plus 4 plus 10. And then the beauty will get 30. Come on, beauty needed it, amen. And then travel gets 0 this month. Future self gets nothing. YouTube boss gets nothing. You know, we never know. Maybe we will get a check, but we don't see one right now. All things and other get nothing. Nada. So I'm going to delete that out. And now we have 156.59 left, which is amazing. What I'm actually going to do is take the $10 out of here and put the $10 back here. Because I'm getting used to having a $20 buffer. That's what I like. I'm noticing with me, 30, 40, too much. $10, perfect. That'll be fine. So we're going to put $20.01 in the buffer so that our first paycheck is down to 0. I'm also going to go ahead and make these bright blue because the bright blue means they are automatic payments. We're not even going to count that because the gym is not a thing anymore. So, reset. What's the gym? The gym is 10. What are we doing? We're going to put nothing there, and these 3 are automatic. So make them blue. They're not over there, sis. They are over here. And we're going to reset that. Okay. You're annoying. Okay. And this needs to be paid, and nothing else automatic. So we'll have 0 base budget in the first week. Now for the second paycheck here. We got some money. We got 146.59. But I'm just gonna leave that in the buffer for right now. The buffer for right now. What I'm thinking, y'all, is that it will go to a little bit may go to the emergency fund, a little bit maybe go to groceries, and a little bit may go to something else that's coming up, like my birthday. My best friend's birthday is this month as well. Is this month, and it's toward the end. So thoughts. So we're going to put 146.59, and the little notes here in the buffer, what I'll do to remind myself, we got the BFF birthday. We have maybe buff up emergency fund. And because I really want to get it to like this number, 3213. So 3,200, 3,215, something like that. I want to get my emergency fund there. Not super hyper focused on it, but every little bit that I can get to there is going to help. Okay. I mean, overall, I'd like to get to 10K. But for now, because the way the economy has been, oh, we left out our Navy Federal needs to get $1. Dang it. Way too much, Tara. $19.01. Fine. Yeah, birthday emergency fund and then groceries. Those are going to be the places and households because we're running out of things, my friend. We're running out of things like toilet paper, paper towel, laundry detergent, and things like that. So those will be the 4 categories I think about when we get to this paycheck. Although I do think I see some money going to household, which will be very helpful because we need it. Yeah, guys. So that is basically the first paycheck of that's not what we're doing. That's basically the first set of paychecks for our April budget in quarter number 2. Can you believe it? We've made it to quarter number 2. They're both at zero-based budgets. We have a bit of a buffer in each one, but we'll decide when we get there. A lot of different things I want to prioritize going forward. A lot of things are going to change in quarter 2. I feel like quarter 1 for me was a lot of figuring it out, trying a few new things, figuring it out. Do I want to do this? Do I still want to do this? And I've been going to, I'm just going to say it, check my girl out, Alex at Self Work School, because I've been going there for all the quarter 2 and I've been so consistent with all my goals for the most part that I put out. And it's really making me look at what I'm doing towards linked up with my value system. Am I doing it because everybody else is doing it or doing it because of values? Anyway, this is not what this video is about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have you done your April budget yet? We're in quarter 2, fam. Have you done? Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. It is faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye! Just hands. Love you, mean it, boy.